So now we can see a program to find average of elements in a list. We discussed that. We are taking L. So this is the list equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now I am going to find the average of these elements. So how we can find the average of elements? How we can mean? First we can find the sum. Sum equals to 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. That means first you are taking 10, next 20, 30, 40, 50. You find the sum 150. And average equals to sum by number of elements. That equals to what is the sum? 150. So number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 30.0. So how we can find the sum and average? Now we can solve this with Python program. How? L equals to, we are taking one list. Next I am initializing sum. Sum equals to 0. Initial value is 0. So after that, here we can write with the help of while loop. So I can write I equals to 0 while I less than length of L. So what is the length of L here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sum equals to sum plus L of I. That means the first L of I is 0. First L of I is 10, L of 1 is 20, L of 2 is 30, L of 3 is 40, L of 4 is 50. We discussed this. And I equals to I plus 1. So up to now we can see. So L equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That means this is the list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum equals to 0. I equals to 0. 0 less than, what is the length of L? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length of L equals to 5. It is true. So we enter into this. Sum equals to sum plus L of I. What is the sum value? 0. Plus what is the L of I? 10. 0 plus 10? 10. That means sum equals to 10. I equals to I plus 1. That means I becomes 1. And 1 less than 5. True. Enter into this. Sum equals to sum plus L of. What is the sum value? Already plus. What is the L of I? L of 1. What is the L of 1? 20. That means 30 is stored in sum. I equals to I plus 1. 2. 2 less than 5. True. Enter into this. So what is the sum value? 30 plus. What is the L of I? L of 2. 30. Total 60. I plus 1. 3. 3 less than 5. True. Enter into this. What is the sum? 60 plus what is L of I? 40. Means 100. I plus 1. 4. 4 less than 5. True. Go to here. Sum equals to sum plus. Sum, what is the sum? 100. L of 4. 50. 150. I equals to 5. 5 less than 5. False. That's it. That means what is the sum value? 150. Now we are going to find the average. I am taking a variable avg equals to sum by length of L. What is the length of L? 5. So now what is the sum? 150 by 5, that equals to 30.0 is stored in average. Avg equals to. Now we can print. Print sum equals to sum print average equals to AVG. That's it. It prints 150 30.0 as the output. Now we are going to write one program regarding to print average. Write a program to find average of elements in a list. So using while loop. I am taking sum equals to 0 initially, and I take the list equals to 10, 30, 20, 50, 40. So this is the list. How I can access the list? I am taking one I value equals to 0 while I less than length of L. Simply sum equals to sum plus I value. That means how I can access L of I, and I increment I by 1. Now what is the average? How we can find the average? The average is nothing but sum by length of L. That means sum by n, and I am going to print sum equals to, I am taking here yes, I take all sum as a yes because sum is predefined function is there, so I am using s. Sum yes. After that, in the next line I am going to print average. Average equals to, so what is the expected output? I am giving the L, after that it prints sum equals to, after that it prints average equals to. So this is the output. Now we can check, we can execute this. Okay, sum equals to 150, average equals to 30.0.